Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a KuCoin account step by step. KuCoin is a popular cryptocurrency exchange, and having an account will allow you to buy, trade, and manage crypto securely. First of all, go ahead and open up your KuCoin application on your device. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, go to your Google Play Store or your App Store and get it downloaded first. Make sure it's the official app, this one over here, and once you are done downloading it, launch it open. Now, you will come across this sign up interface. Go ahead and enter your email address or your phone number without the country code in the text box at the top. You can also continue signing up with your Telegram account or your Apple account. I'm just gonna use the email option. In the text box, type in your phone number or email and click on this little circle that says, I have read and agreed to the terms of use and privacy policy. If you have a referral code with you, tap the referral code drop down and enter it in the text box. If you don't, you can skip this step and finally click Create Account. On the next page, you'll need to verify your new email. You'll receive a verification code sent to you via email. Go ahead and open up your email inbox for the same email that you just provided. Enter the verification code that you received via email or SMS. Once done, on the next page, you'll be asked to create a password and set it for your account. Create a strong password able to remember in the text box. Once typing down a strong password, click Confirm. You have now completed your sign up. The next step is to continue the verification process to unlock more benefits. Click on Verify Now and follow through the on-screen instructions. Go ahead and select your country or your region from the drop-down, and then you'll need to continue and upload a photo ID of yourself and facial recognition. To complete through the verification, click Verify once again after selecting your issued country. On the next page, select an ID type. It can be a passport, driver's license, or your national ID card. Select any one option and click Next. On the next page, as directed, take a photo of your driver's license. Make sure to align the documents in the frame. Make sure to click a picture by staying steady and focused. Adjust the angle to reduce reflections and so on. If you are ready to take a photo and you have your document in your hand, click on Take Photo. Allow camera access for your device so that it can take a picture. And then in the frame, go ahead and take a picture of your driver's license with the help of the shutter icon. Now this is not my driver's license, but I'm just showing it to you how you can take a photo. Make sure to place your driver's license clearly inside the frame. And then choose if the document is readable or not by tapping on the button and follow through the instructions. For every mistake you make, you can also retake the photo by choosing the Retake Photo option. Now after uploading your documents, your account will be under review and you'll be able to know if your account is verified or not in a certain matter of time. After your account is verified, you can deposit funds, trade, or explore crypto options. So there you have it. That's the process for creating a new account for KuCoin. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.